You have the resultant. So what are you finding? P. And this one can represent our P, right? So we can just take this part of the diagram out, and we have something like this. So 30 P, the same direction. This is my resultant. Here's 25. So what rule do you think we can use to find P? Cosine rule. And what will be our rule, the equation? P squared equals 30 squared plus R squared minus 30, 2 into bracket, 30 times R cos. Why are you using cos 25? Simple. You can write it in different forms. When you get to force analysis, maybe spatial force and planar forces, when I'm moving equation like one work or one thing, you can find it with maybe 5 or more, 10 equations, 10 different formulas. Good. So now, what's our R? Our R was given to be equal to what? 40. So I have 30 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 multiplying the expression 30 times 40 multiplying the expression cos 25. So this one give me 900, right? Plus 1600 minus 2 times 1200 cos 25. So compute this one. What are you getting?
That side of the equation. So that will get negative 3. So we have 2I1 minus 9 what? I2 equal what? Negative 3, right? So at the end of it, you just have to point this one into your calculator and you get your answers. So at this point, we can say that our I1 equal this and our I2 equal what? Something else. Please, are you okay? Yes. So that's basically what we are doing here. And this one we can do it. Equation 5, right? I think 5 on your calculator. Then 1. Very good. You just put in the values and you're done. So now let's move on to what? The other method. This one is very easy, even if 10 equations has been given to you. But then there's a question, an objective question that I can give you here. So they can tell you how many equations can you form from what? This loop. How many equations? Are you sure? We formed what? How many equations? 2. But then how many loops are we having here? Huh? We have 3 loops. Very good. We have this one as what? 1 loop. This one is another loop. We can remove this one and have what? 3 loops. Do you get it? So we have 3 loops. Now, to get the number of equations that can be formed from this loop is the same as what? N minus what? 1. Please, are you okay?
Let's pick the opposite one, 4. Right. I hope you're all getting it. I'm going to pick the 4 times, the 4 all over 4 plus 16 over 9 times the total current. Now the total current will be the 40. Will be the 34.67. Hope you all get it. Because the 34.67 that is going to get divided at this point. Hope you all get it. Now I'm going to get 34.67 amperes. What are you getting? Pepe. So now let's see something. Now it means that you know the current through the 16 over 9, right? And this 16 over 9 contains 2 ohms and also 16 ohms, right? And that current coming into the 16 over 9 was what? It was like 24. 24 pepe. Okay. So we had 24 amperes. Now this 24 amperes, the current coming into the 2 ohm and 16 ohm. And the question was telling me to find the current in the 16 ohm. So now what do I do? Can you help me out, right? So now my IO is going to be 2 all over 2 plus 16 times the current. Which current? 24. So please, what are you getting? 6, right? That's 2.7. We had the same answer. Yeah, right. I can see. Yes, but I wanted her to understand why the 10 ohm is not part. That's why I did it like this. But you can do it like that. But like I'd advise that always do it to the voltage.